Hi guys, my name is Jazmine Lambarca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have a collective Zara haul, and also I am back with filming Zara hauls, especially now during winter and the Christmas time and the holidays. There's just so much that I want to show here on this channel. I've been buying different things, so I have 3 different packages. This is one of them, and I just wanted to show you what I got. This is the second, and also I went in person, so those 2 were online orders, and this was an in-person purchase. This was actually during Black Friday, so I'm excited to show you what I got. So first I want to show you what I got in this box. I just feel like this is just a great purchase, which are these boots. So I feel like I got the boot lottery. I have been struggling for the last like 2 years to get great boots with the style that I wanted. So I like these heels, which is not super thin. There's so many boots that are like very thin heel, but here it's really unrealistic. You know, there's going to be a lot of snow, plus then they put salt, so it's not like going to be like clean areas. Yeah, for the most part. So a thicker heel is a lot more convenient for me, and I can get a lot more wear out of these. So these are going to last me a long time. These don't have any zipper, just FYI, so you just have to, you know, just deal with that. But it's fine because I don't really have an issue putting these on. So I got these in size 8. They did not have 8.5. So typically I always get 8.5 when it comes to boots, tennis shoes, closed shoes. But once I got them, they were fine. I was really concerned because sometimes I wear 1 or 2 socks depending the temperature. Like if it goes single digits, I will be wearing 2 socks. Anyway, so this weekend I definitely went out to the Christmas market, and I was outdoors entirely, and I wanted to test these boots, and I walked a lot actually. To my surprise, even though these are 8, there is still a little bit of room. There was still room left for a second sock. I just wore 1. So in Zara size, this is a 39. Anyway, so the thing is that I am just so happy that I got these. And the other thing that I really like is this little part right here. It gives you a bit more space, so it has a little bit more material, which sticks out a little bit. The buckle is silver, by the way. Anyway, my point with that was that once you put these on, there's a little bit of this part here of the boot that sticks out. So they look a little bit more flared. So I just feel like that looks just so cute. And I've definitely seen it in a couple of different influencers on Instagram, but it's just I never find the correct boot. I don't know. I just don't want to like get boots that are like $1,000. Here it's a bit unrealistic. If I lived in a fancier area, maybe that would be better. Made more sense there and other fancy areas, but here, even in fancy events, people just don't dress up here at all whatsoever. They kind of like judge you for it, to be honest. Whatever. The thing is that is what I like about these boots, and these were under 100, and I think, but anyway, the thing is that I definitely like these a lot. And I actually, if you want to see how they look, I did post a video on TikTok getting ready for the Christmas market, so you can go to my TikTok and watch that to see how these look, okay? Because I don't want to put them on right now, but you can definitely see how they look there because I lowered the camera and everything, so you can see how they look. So cute. Definitely do not regret that purchase at all. Now I'm going to dig into this bag, and then I'm going to leave what I got here for the last part. I could not resist. I got this top, and I looked at it and I was like, oh my god, this looks amazing. It's so elegant. And I have not tried any of this stuff on, to be honest, because I didn't want to do the line. The day that I went, Black Friday, there was just so many people, so I just grabbed stuff and just paid and left. So I got this really pretty new top, and I just thought that it looked adorable. Just so pretty. Look at the sleeves. So cute. I mean, I can go in so many different directions with this top. So many different directions. Like, so pretty. It is like a very pale pink color, but can also look like a cream. So it's that pale, it's that neutral, and also the material helps with that. I got it in size small, and yeah, I did not get a discount for this one, and because it's new. So, and I didn't get a discount for this one either. This is size small as well. And I know it's a risk because typically with Zara, sizes sometimes are off. Sometimes I'm small, sometimes I'm medium, you know, you never know. But I just decided to just start with my actual size and go from there. Next, this is a bit more casual, so I just couldn't resist. I actually tried this on at the store. But I tried it on top of the sweater that I was wearing. So I was just on the floor. You know, I didn't go into the dressing room. There was a mirror on front. And I was like, okay, this is the moment. I'm going to try this because I was very indecisive if I should have gotten this in small or medium. And also there was another color, like a blue color. So cute. I actually wanted both. But I decided to just go with this color, which is perfect for Christmas. The other one looked like a bit more nautical. I love nautical, but I just want to stick with this season for this time. And I decided to go with size small, and because this part here is wide enough in my current size and this part sticks out a little bit, not too much, I am okay with it, to be honest. And this looks on, it looks so cute. Like, I typically don't like chunky turtlenecks, but it's wide enough where it doesn't bother me. I don't feel asphyxiated, and I don't feel like it like makes me look, you know, overweight or anything. This next one I also got in small, so I pretty much stick to my size for this haul. I couldn't resist. I love silver. I love silver. So there's a lot of cute small little sequin that have a hole in the middle. So that's how they sewed it to the sweater, and I just love these colors. I just love this sweater. It looks so cute. I just feel like this is perfect for Christmas. Now, the second part of my happiness will be if this even fits. So I will be definitely trying these later on. So let's go to the last part, which was a very recent purchase. Actually, I did it last week and I already got it, which is so impressive. I got it online, and I know what you're thinking, like, you buying online, that is so unheard of. Anyway, so I appreciate the gift wrapping paper, not gonna lie, but I already opened it. I haven't tried it yet. It's just, I couldn't believe it. But, so it's a dress. I'm into dresses lately, and this is a velvet. So I did get it in size small. This is part of their festive days collection, I guess. So they have like a party dress tab, so you can go there. And I saw this and I was like, I absolutely want that. Absolutely. But now that I've received it, it looks longer than it looked on the model. So I don't know if the model on that video, on the ad that I saw, was like 6'7", but I did put it like just like this on top, and it looks really long on me. I'm interested to see how this looks on, to be honest with you. But overall, I like how it just looks so elegant, so nice. This looks like something that Serena van der Woodsen or even Lily van der Woodsen would wear to one of their parties. So yeah, so now I'm going to try some of these on to show you how it looks. So here is top number 1. I love this top. It looks incredibly mega, all right? Just a mega chic. That's how it looks. The material, the fit, what it does to your body, definitely looks amazing. I like this detail here. Looks so elegant. Now I have a jean on, I get it, but this is just like showing what I got and just trying it on and letting you know how it fits and how it feels, other than putting outfits together. So I can do that in a separate video, like how I would style this top. But yeah, so I just decided to put a jean on because there's some very casual items that I got as well, but I just feel like this is just incredible, right? Mega. This is a mega piece. A little caveat, this is really fitted. So if it was me, if I can go back, I would get a medium. I would get a medium because, let me see, I mean, I can sit well with this top, but it definitely is very tight. But do I recommend it? Absolutely, I recommend it. It is just really good, girl. And especially if you avoid carbs for 2 weeks, you're gonna be fine. This is the top number 2, and I definitely like this a lot. I love how it looks. The fit is really comfortable. This is size small, and the only thing is that I believe it needs a pin right here or fashion tape to not make a hole on the fabric. But the structure itself is not super strong like top number 1. So yeah, I don't know if you want to put more fashion tape here like against your skin. I don't know if you like that, but if you feel fussy about it, yeah, I feel like this looks so cute. It definitely does. And I changed my earrings, and I feel like these look the best with this top. And these are from Zara. These are from like 1 or 2 years ago, I believe. But I actually really like it. It looks really cute, really classy, and yeah, I really like it. This is top number 3. How cute is this? This is just so cute. It looks phenomenal, and I like the fact that the turtleneck is very wide, so you won't look like you're choking to death. It looks just so cute, especially if you put like earrings like this. You can just elevate the sweater. I feel like it's okay if you wear like a thin sweater underneath that is long sleeve. I feel like that can be great and look quite well, and also it's not going to be too tight either, even if you choose your actual size like I did, which is this is size small. But I just feel like this is just the cutest winter top, you guys. Do not regret it whatsoever. So beyond, this is a beyond one. Yeah. So this is top number 4. I love the sweater. It is a bit uncomfortable. It itches slightly, so it's not soft. I think that these people have to just step it up with the lining. You know what I mean? Like, I shouldn't have to go through this. Life is too short to have like an itchy, scratchy material on my body, but it definitely looks really cute. I just love how this looks, especially with earrings like this. Really cute. I love the colors. I love the glitter. I love the sleeves, and it looks so Christmassy, so pretty, beautiful actually. And now for the moment you and I have been waiting for. I will show you now how this dress looks. It looks amazing. Also, it's really comfortable. I was concerned about the length, but the length is actually perfect and appropriate, so it's not too short. So after I put it on, it did go a bit shorter. Like when I was grabbing it and showing you earlier, it looked very long for whatever reason, but now that I put it on, it definitely looks, you know, it is shorter. So I am very happy with the length. I don't mind it at all. So it's not too much, it's not too short. I love how this looks, how it feels. It definitely does have an inner lining, which makes wearing this piece a lot more comfortable. I love this outfit. I mean, this is mega. I don't mind the shoulder pads. It does have a little bit of shoulder pads. I don't mind it. I feel like it, I don't know, it just gives like a more chic look, to be honest. And then it does have this little space here, but I don't mind it too much. But if it is an issue for you, you can always put fashion tape. I love this. Like, it's just very elegant though. It's like elegant but still young, and you're not showing too much, you know. It's the right length but still appropriately adjusted to your body, which cinches you on the waist, but it's not too tight, uncomfortable. Like, you can still have your hors d'oeuvres. Now, final thoughts. Do I recommend this dress? I 100% recommend it. I don't think you will regret it. Even if you end up not wearing this dress this year, probably you will wear it next year for sure. I mean, this is one of those cute black dresses that you can wear over and over again. So this dress, I feel like it's not tied to this Christmas season specifically. I feel like you can wear it throughout the year and many other occasions. All right, everyone, that's it for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed what I showed you and gave you a couple of ideas. If you have any questions, leave them below. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos weekly, and I post on Mondays and Thursdays primarily, and now in Christmas I want to post more times a week. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.